Hello students and welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. Well, the Goa Headmasters Association has released the schedule for your preliminary exams or your preparatory exams for term 2, and they will be held in March. So let's have a look which papers do you have on which days, and certain rules and regulations, certain things that you have to adhere to for this examination. So let's begin this video. So the term 2 preliminary examinations will begin in March, okay, on 4th of March precisely. You have to know that your board exams are going to begin from April. So your preliminary exams are going to be a month before this, so that you have enough of time to prepare for your upcoming examination and have a feel of how the actual examination will be. So the whole idea of this preparatory exam is to prepare you to be ready for the final exam. So the first paper is going to be on 4th of March 2023, and the last date of exams would be on 13th of March 2023. Thereafter, Goa Board has also declared that they would be having their practical examinations beginning soon after. So in this video, however, we will be discussing only about the preparatory exams that will be held in March 2023. So the examination will begin each day at 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, this will be in your own school. Candidates are advised, that means students are advised to be present outside their respective classrooms wherever they will be having their examinations half an hour prior to their actual paper. So 8:30. It's always a good practice to be much ahead in time, so that it also gives your mind that calmness, that confidence to appear for your examinations, rather than, because if you come hurried and you come at the last moment, you may also end up getting nervous. So to avoid all that, please make sure you're well ahead in time, especially on the first day. Come, have a look where you are seated. Okay, get a feel of the environment, where exactly you're going to sit. Just envision yourself in that place, the seat where you will be sitting, and how the environment will be. Just be relaxed. So if you be later than 30 minutes, then chances are that you will not be allowed to sit for the examination. Okay, anyways, the examination will be held in your school, so it is up to your school to take that call of whether to allow you to sit for the examination or not. But otherwise, if you come like 9 o'clock, your examination begins. If you come at 9:30, you may not be allowed to sit for the paper. Also, if you have come in time for the paper, started the paper in time, you will not be allowed to leave the examination hall before 9:30. After 9:30, you can excuse yourself, give the paper to the person who is supervising your examination, and go home. Okay, but if you are prepared, then obviously you will not be taking this step, rather completing the paper according to the time that is given to you. So the preliminary examinations are not conducted by Goa Board. They are conducted by Goa Headmasters Association. Okay, a group that prepares question papers, preparing the students for the final examination. The final examination paper comes from Goa Board. Now, certain things to note over here. Your languages, that is your English, Hindi, and your third language, that would be Konkani, Marathi or Portuguese, those will be of 40 marks each. Then your science paper will be of 30 marks only. Okay, and your history and geography paper will be of 20 marks each. So social science total is 40 marks, but social science consists of history and geography. So individually, each of them will have 20 marks each. So under no circumstances, the Goa Headmasters Association has said that this examination will be postponed. They are supposed to be held at the same time everywhere and on the same dates as well. Any standard operating procedures, because there are certain rules and regulations to be followed, considering that still around the world there is COVID situation still going on. So chances are that your particular school may have certain rules and regulations in place to keep certain distance, to follow certain rules. Those will be issued by your respective schools. Please follow them. Now we come to the main part as to which subject is going to be on which date, okay, and what will be the timing. This is what you have been waiting. So let's begin and have a look so that you can start preparing yourself, start timing yourself, okay, getting ready for your preparatory examination. Your first paper, that is on the 4th of March, is going to be English 9 to 10:30. So 1.5 hour paper. This will be for 40 marks. The second paper, there is a day's gap between English and Maths. And this is also 9 to 10:30. Now, kindly note, I put Maths over here. That's because the Goa Headmasters Association has put only Maths. Now, this will include Maths level 1 and level 2. Both level 1 and level 2 will be answering on the same day. So don't be confused. Okay, only Maths is given. Is it going to be level 1 or level 2? No, level 1 and level 2 will be held on the same day in your school premises, and it's going to be on 6th of March, okay, and 9 to 10:30. So 1.5 hour. The third paper is going to be science. So soon after Maths you'll have science, but there's a day's gap once again, and that is also going to be 1.5 hour, 9 to 10:30, okay. And on the 9th you're going to have the third language, which is going to be either Konkani, Marathi or Portuguese. Again 9 to 10:30. This is for 40 marks. On the 10th, now this is the first paper that you are not going to have a break for. Kindly note, after your third language, you will not have a break for the next paper. Your next paper is history, part of social science 1. And this paper is going to be only for 1 hour because it's only 20 marks paper. So 9 to 10. Again, there is no break for your social science 2 paper as well. That is geography. It's going to be held on the 11th, and it's between 9 to 10. So 9, 10th, 11 continuously you're going to have 3 papers. Finally, the last paper is going to be Hindi, your second language, and there is a break for that. So after 11th you're going to have a break. 12th will be the break, and 13th of March you will be appearing for your final preparatory exam, that is Hindi, between 9 to 10:30. So this is how the schedule looks like for your preparatory exam, beginning from the 4th till the 13th, and all the papers begin at 9 a.m. in the morning in your school. Okay, so your seating arrangement, that you can have a look, check with your teachers. You can ask more questions about your teachers, because each school will have their own way of setting it up. But the day will not change, and neither will the timing or the paper. Remember, these papers are not set by your teachers or by your school. They are being set by a group of teachers under the umbrella of Goa Headmasters Association. Okay, so papers, you will have no idea what the paper will be. However, these papers will be corrected by your teachers. So you will get to have a look. You will get a feedback from your teachers after correction, and you will know from this preparatory exams where exactly do you stand in terms of your preparation for your final examination. Okay, so I urge all of you to go and appear for it. Do not worry about the fact that I'm not fully prepared. Go and appear. You will get a feel of what the final examination will be like, and also you will get an idea about how good is your preparation. Is it up to the level that is expected by the Goa board or not? Okay, so please do go for these examinations, appear for them, and rate yourself and improve upon what you have read. So prepare well. You've got some time before this examination begins. So please let me know how did you find this video. If you like watching this video, share it with your friends as well as your classmates. Let them also benefit. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to this channel so far, please do subscribe. There will be many more videos coming up. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more such videos.